Check it out, y'all. Let's just watch people go to the door and come right back. This mall don't open up till 11 o'clock. Everybody wants them shoes, and the mall don't open up till 11 o'clock. Man, we got to sit here about 30 minutes. Girl patting her head like a motherfucker right about now. Good God almighty. She patting the hell out of her head. Let's just sit right here and just watch everybody walk back and forth. Everybody, even me, I thought the mall opened up at 10 o'clock. It don't. This motherfucker open up at 11 o'clock. That's some bullshit. I'm just gonna tell people, man, the mall don't open up till 11 o'clock, man. $11 o'clock, man. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock?
Yeah.
What's 11?
The mall don't open up till 11 o'clock.
Yeah, they won't even let us go in and get a shoe?
No, not yet.
That's bullshit.
Yeah, they probably say about 30 minutes, though. Probably about 10:30 or something like that.
People you can't get them before 12. That's crazy.
Yeah, yeah. It's ridiculous. Yeah, it is what it is. 11 o'clock. Man, I thought that damn motherfucking mall opened up at 10. That motherfucker opened at 11 o'clock. You just watch people go back and forth. Nothing else to do. Motherfucker should have opened up a little bit earlier than this, man. We trying to get our shoes to get the hell on. This might be a long video, y'all. This round meet some friends out here. Shit, this shit crazy. 11 o'clock. Oh man. $11. This might be the longest video I ever made, y'all. It's gonna go for a little bit. Everybody waiting to go in, cop these shoes. The Air Jordan 12 flu games. Man, if I would have known they don't open up to 11, I would have stayed on up at the other mall. To be honest with you, shit. But it's all good. The old girl over there patting her head like that damn girl head must itch like a motherfucker, man. She patting the shit out of her head. Shit. I mean, she patting the hell out of her motherfucking head, boy. Bitch got some ants in her shit. But we gonna get this bad today, though. We gonna get this bad. We just gotta wait a little bit.
I think next week the good Lord's gonna help us. That's right. Go out there, spray a little Dawn over and let it wash. Yeah, that's what I use Dawn for too. That's right. It works good. It will take the wax off one though. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna worry about the wax.
Boy, I gotta give y'all some content now, huh? Gotta talk about something. Gotta talk about something now, huh? Man, I don't know what to talk about. Man, I thought I was just gonna go over here and get these shoes and get the hell on, to be honest with you. Do some unboxing. Now I gotta talk to you. It's a nice day in Chattanooga, Tennessee today. Just want you to know it's beautiful. Beautiful day today. Sun out. Not that cloudy. High might be, I might get to 65 today if we lucky. But anytime it's like this, man, and the sun is out in Chattanooga, Tennessee, is a good day. A lot of people gonna be out today. A lot of people gonna be out and about today. You better believe it. A lot of people gonna be out today. I need that girl over there to go get something for her head, cause she patting the shit out of her head right now. I mean, she patting the hell out of her head. How that shit feel, man, when y'all females be patting your head like that? How that shit feel? That shit feel good? I mean, she hitting that motherfucker like some ants crawling on her motherfucking head right now. I'm talking about she patting the hell out of her motherfucking head right now. I don't understand it. Why the hell get that shit if you gonna be patting your head like that? I might have tell everybody, man, let them clock. Let them clock. I just let them know, let them clock, y'all. Let them clock. It is what it is. Something I never understood is people be out here waiting, and we be seeing people just sitting up. I mean, we ain't out here for the fun of it. 11 o'clock, man. 11 o'clock.
11?
Yeah.
How you know?
I'm sitting in the car, waiting to go get these shoes. That's what.
I didn't know it was gonna be at 11. Somebody said that too.
Yep.
I thought that was bullshit.
Yeah, but they probably open up about they probably let you go in about 10:40, 10:30, something like that probably.
You got a ticket on?
Nah, man, they just called me and I won that shit.
Yeah, I ain't even win. I'm trying to see if somebody didn't buy mine.
Shit.
If I get lucky. I got it though, but they said come up here, this is what it's about at.
Yeah. See, most folks don't know nothing about up here.
Yeah,
They don't want to cross that river.
Yeah, that's where they going.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And City Gear, I went over there this morning because, you know, they first come, first serve. And it's a line over there.
I just let them know too.
Yeah. And you don't know what's going to happen. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to live today. You know what I'm saying?
Last time,
Yeah, so, but you know, they say after 5 o'clock, you know, that's when anybody can come in. Like up in Hampton Place, you know, place like that. But you might get lucky though, man. Come on in. I mean, you know, hey, you never know. I done seen plenty of people, man, come in here and just get that shit. Yeah. Cause the ones who probably won that raffle, they already got their names on it, but shit, the other ones don't got names on it.
I don't know when them is.
Me either. Only time I done won is when I come up here.
Yeah, damn. See, I need to try up here then.
Yeah, for real. For real, because it seems like they get a more stock up here.
Yeah.
You know, cause you know probably white, but it seems like that's what's going on.
And they know like Hamilton Place is just so many stores out there, you know, shoe stores, and they ain't gonna have that big of a stop. And plus, you know, the cops gonna be up there.
So many shoe stores in
Yeah, yeah. It's like this right here, basically just sit alone, you know. So, but good luck, man. Hey, cause these gonna get it. Shit. You gotta get on it today, y'all. I might tell little mama over here, she getting the child out and everything. $11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. No, not yet. It'll probably be about another 30 minutes until they open up the doors, though. It'll probably be another 30 minutes before they open up the doors. But she gonna go see anyway. She gonna go see anyway. See what I'm saying? Folk don't believe in the black man. Black man trying to tell them something. They don't, you know what I'm saying? I don't understand that shit. I'm trying to tell them, but she still gonna go to the door. She still gonna go to the door. Like I'm lying. You know what I'm saying? Don't y'all hate that? She still gonna go to the door like I'm lying, like I'm sitting up here lying to her. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm sitting up here lying. What am I gonna lie to the woman for? I don't get that shit. That's how it is though. They see a black man, and that's a sister too. That's a sister. I'm like, hey, 11 o'clock. She like, you know, that nigga don't know what the hell he talking about. I ain't gonna even say nothing to this woman. She look like she probably working now. But I ain't gonna even say nothing. It's sad that people don't believe me, man. Like I'm sitting up here lying to them or some shit. $11 o'clock. No, not yet. About 11 o'clock. Yeah. Boy, folks don't believe nobody around here, man. That shit crazy as hell. Like I'm sitting up here lying to the people. I'm telling them the truth. 11 o'clock. They looking at me like something wrong. Like 11 o'clock. I don't get it, y'all. I don't get it. I know I ain't lying. I know I can read. The sign say 11 o'clock. It's making me feel like I'm stupid. You know what I mean? They make me feel like I'm stupid. 11 o'clock. Okay. Hey, it is what it is. I think they see me and be like, that nigga don't know the fuck he talking about. Like I'm sitting up here lying to these folks, man. What I be lying for? Why she gonna be bringing up, oh, I smell weed in the air. Boy, I tell you, man, I be trying to help my people. I be trying to help my people. My people don't want to listen to me for some reason, man. I don't understand that shit. My people do not want to listen to me. I guess I look funny or some shit. Do I look funny? Am I a funny looking ass nigga or some shit? I'm telling these people, man, what time is this? It's 10:21. 10:21, y'all. And I guess these people think I'm lying to them or some shit. I have no reason to lie. Then they get on the phone and call somebody. Well, they ain't open. They ain't open. Goddamn it, I told you these motherfuckers weren't open. Then I guess they'll go to Old Navy. Shit, them motherfuckers ain't open either. In a strange way, I'm happy these motherfuckers ain't open till goddamn 11 o'clock, to be honest with you. Motherfuckers don't want to listen to nobody. Look at her walking back, looking like a dumb ass. Try to tell them, don't listen to them. Motherfuckers want these damn shoes like a motherfucker. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Don't listen to me, man. I guess I'm just out here chilling or some shit. Like I'm about to rob the motherfucking mall or some shit. Motherfucker, I don't get this shit, man. Motherfucker do not believe me. I should have bought me some more refreshments. To be honest with you, I should have brought me some more refreshments. Look at her ass finna be walking right back. People can't read. Look at this one here. She jamming too, boy. She gonna be turning her ass back around too. Looking stupid. Looking like a goddamn idiot. What the fuck she finna do? Her ass about to get embarrassed. That shit be looking so fucking funny, man. Like everybody outside, right? And a motherfucker go up to the door like that motherfucker gonna automatically open like you know what I'm saying? Like the door's just gonna automatically swing open and we all out here just looking and shit. Like, goddamn, man, why the fuck you think we out here? Look at this broad. Let's see what she gonna do. Watch her ass be walking her ass wrong back too. This shit's fucking ridiculous. Like we just out here chilling. Like we don't got shit better else to do on Saturday fucking morning just to sit in the cars and shit. Isn't it? Best thing these motherfuckers do is sit their ass in the car. Shit, wait like me. Best thing you can do is wait like me. Have patience. Motherfuckers don't got patience, man. That's what it is. You gotta have patience, man. That broad thought she was about to go in there and get them 12s, boy. Not today. Not today. You gonna have to wait with the rest of us. That shit was crazy though. I told little mama, I said, look, 11 o'clock. You know, it ain't open at 11 o'clock. That's what I said. And guess what she did? She went on up there and tried her luck. Like I was fucking lying, man. Like I was fucking lying, dude. Was I lying? No. She got her regular ass on back in the car just like everybody else did. Like a motherfucker sitting up here lying about what time to go in the goddamn mall.
Who that is?
Huh?
11 o'clock, man. 11 o'clock. Yeah. Hold up. Oh, they open now. They open now. They open now, y'all. They open now. Let's go on in here and get these motherfuckers, man. They open now, y'all. Let's go on in here and see what they're talking about. Let's go on ahead and see what we're talking about. Shit, they still gonna be goddamn closed. But shit, might as well go on in here. Hope it's warm. Hope they got the damn heater on in this bitch. Got Hibbett's down here. Hibbett's is down there. We gonna end up going down there, cause that's where my shit at. Just gonna go by here, man. Just check it out. Check out the scene. They close. So we got about 30 more minutes to go. Sit my ass down some motherfucking way. Shit. Niggas out here for these motherfucking 12s, man. For these 12s, man. Flute games. I'm about to put y'all on pause, to be honest with you. Yeah, right there, nice something, boy. Jordans. Them J's. Boy, it's gonna be a beautiful day, y'all. It's gonna be a beautiful day. But I'm about to put y'all on pause, though. 2 minutes until time. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Finish line should open in 2 minutes. The countdown is on. Guess you know about these things. Let's look at some shoes. You know, I let the crowd do what they do. My dude got the white ones like this. Man, they want $210 for them. Ain't nothing. These right here should be $80. For real. I'm gonna come back and get these one day. Guess what they got still right here? I can't believe it. They still got these right here on shelves. They still sitting. And guess what? They still got these sitting. Why? Why are these still sitting, man? Why is these still sitting? These the hardest thing out this year, to be honest with you. I ain't gonna even mess with Reebok no more. I should. Oh yeah. It's a 10.5 Shannon Logan. All right. I gotta secure the bag, y'all. Let's look at the girl. Kids.
I got your
I appreciate you, man.
Bye, baby. Gotta go to nine.
We in line about to get these 12s.
Have an email with this or anything?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna get that from you.
Yes, sir.
All right, and what's the email?
Logan, Shannon72@gmail.com.
found your change up today to make it 230 even?
Yes, ma'am. For the
The youth foundation?
yes,
Okay.
yes,
Thank
yes.
you.
You grab this stuff.
All right, I got your change at $10 even.
Okay.
So I asked you about your receipt.
Do you have your ID on you? I got you. Gonna put that with it too.
I ain't these 12 boxes. Look.
I don't think that
Even
piece-
more.
It is kind of pink, but it's like this is like a darker pink. That's like a pastel kind of pink. Super nice. I think you can do it with the color blue. Or like
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Secure the bag. Secure the bag. Hey, that's it for now, y'all. Gonna do unboxing of these later on. Good to see what they talking about.